Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce the China Agent for Drug Registration in China. Drug MAH is the abbreviation of Marketing Authorization Holder of the drugs, basically our pharmas. Agent is a legal entity be requested by almost all the health authorities over the world if a foreign MAH willing to register drugs in their country. For the MAH whose drugs manufactured outside China, an agent is mandatory to be designated, and the minimum requirement for the agent is that it should be a legal entity established in China. There are two types of agents for pharmas outside China: registration agent and delegated MAH agent. Both of them shall be designated by the MAH by a letter of authorization to Provincial Health Authority or CDE. Who is CDE? Let us give a glimpse to whom a MAH will contact with during drug registration in China. From this organization chart, you can see the highest administration authority, SAMR, below which is the Direct Drug Administration Authority, NMPA, with its subordinate NIFDC for testing, CFDI for on-site inspection, and the Drug Evaluation Center, namely CDE, for administrative review, technical review, and other evaluation-related work with regard to drug registration. Now we move to what a registration agent shall do. The registration agent is the liaison between overseas drug MAH and the China Drug Administration. It will support the MAH to all of the below, but not limited to the below. It will help the MAH to arrange the pre-IND meeting, pre-NDA meeting, and scientific advice meeting. It will help the MAH to submit IND application, NDA submission, and ANDA submission. It will help the MAH to arrange the sample testing requested by NIFDC, to submit the one-time import application, to perform post-market lifecycle maintaining, including variation and renewal. It will support the associated APIs, excipients, packaging materials CDMF filing. Also, it will support the overseas GMP inspection conducted by CFDI. Is it possible to change the registration agent? The answer is yes. The drug MAH is always allowed to change their China registration agent for all the products, or some of the products, even during the reviewing process, by filing, namely moderate variation, for withdrawing and redesignation. There are plenty of work a registration agent shall do, and what work a delegated MAH agent shall do? The answer is, more like a partner rather than an agent. The delegated MAH agent of pharmas outside China should be responsible for establishing the drug quality assurance system, for establishing and implementing the drug traceability system, for establishing and implementing the drug annual report system, for establishing the post-marketing change management system, for handling of post-marketing recalls, quality complaints, quality compensations, and other issues, for establishing the pharmacovigilance system, for submitting reference materials to National Institutes for Food and Drug Control, for contacting the overseas MAH, and cooperating with drug regulatory authorities with respect to the inspection and investigation. In a word, a delegated MAH agent shares the responsibility jointly with the overseas drug MAH in China, much more like a partner rather than an agent. It is not recommended to change the delegated MAH agent. Considering the depth of joint responsibility, it is better to choose a reliable agent at the very beginning of your China market accessing plan, and let the agent be your long-term partner. Once delegated MAH agent, always close partner. Based on the above, to choose one reliable agent, handling the job of both registration agent and delegated MAH agent, should be considered as the best practice. Our company, Beijing ReliAccess Medicine Incorporated, is located in Beijing, China, and was established in conjunction with the reformation of Chinese drug regulations. We are specialized in providing solutions and technical support to overseas pharmaceuticals accessing the mainland China market, which include but not limited to, be the China agent, develop marketing and promotion resources, registration affairs and NMPA GMP compliance, etc. ReliAccess is capable to be your China agent and your Chinese first contact person, to perform all the agent-related work, to provide professional advices and strategies towards China market accessing, to audit overseas manufacturing site to ensure the fulfillment of China GMP requirements, to provide CFDI overseas inspection supporting, also, to complete the registration for overseas drugs, APIs, excipients, and packaging materials aiming China market. Once your China agent, always your reliable partner. Contact us for more information, and follow us on LinkedIn for regular updates. Thanks for watching.